All right, so this is how you add a page to your website. When you're on your edit page, you go up to this little icon, the settings icon, and you click it. And you go down to edit site layout. I'm sorry. Hi all, this is how you add a page to your website. When you're on your classroom website page, you go up to the little icon that has add page and you click it to create a page. And then you name what your page is, FSC new page, and you put create. Once you've created your page, you go back to, you can add onto your new page right here. So if you change the title, new title, and then you can do whatever you want within your page. You click save. And now if you want to add the page to the column to the left, you go up to this little icon that has the little nut or screw, and you go to edit site layout. And then you go over to the sidebar where you hit the navigation tool and you click that. And then you go to add page here when this comes up. And then you search for what that is, new page. Or new title is what I call it. You click that. You go down and you click OK. And then what you're going to do when you get to this page is you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see it. So make sure it's highlighted and then you figure out where you want it and you have to use these arrows. So let's say I want the new page underneath this section. You can decide where you want it to be. And then if you decide if you don't like it, you can hit delete. I'm going to hit delete just because I don't want it on this page. But once you click this, actually I'll do this. So it's underneath the section of staff leadership. So if I click OK, I'm going to click close. And now you're going to see under staff leadership a new title page. Now let's say that you don't want it because I don't want that on there. I'm going to go back to edit site layout. I'm going to go back to the navigation bar, get back to this tool under staff leadership, and I don't want that page there. So I'm just going to hit delete and I'm going to click OK. So that, and then make sure you always hit close. And that is how you add a new page. So it will still be there. You can't delete it once you create it, but you won't have, if you delete it, it won't show up as a place that anyone can access. So that is how you add a new page to your website. Thanks.